Hello, everybody. We are Indico's Momentum crew for the summer internship from OnRamps, and this is our final presentation. My name is Mohit Pandey. I am currently I'm going into senior 12th grade at McKinley Tech. For you guys to know me better, my hobbies include playing video games and chess, and in college I want to study finance and computer science, and during the summer I worked on the HTML and Bootstrap portions of the project.
Hello, my name is Kayla Adams. I'm a senior at McKinley Tech, and my major will be computer engineering. I love to sketch and write poems, and I created the Manage Context button of the Home component.
Hello, my name is Todd. I'm a junior at McKinley Tech. My major will be computer science, and what I like to do is play basketball and play video games. What I did was create and implement the account filter within the Manage Contact component for Indico.
Hi, my name is Darlene Lowell Akabal, and I'm a senior at McKinley Tech, and I plan to study computer science and pre-med in college, and my favorite hobby is to watch the sunset, and I crafted the Create Contacts button for the project for Indico.
Hello, my name is Isaiah Williams. I'm a rising senior at McKinley Tech. In college, I hope to study information technology and minor in business management. Some of my hobbies are writing, working out, and playing video games. And I created the on-click functionality that transitions the user to the contact component.
My name is Ayane Rogers. I will be an incoming freshman at University of Maryland College Park, majoring in computer science. Hobbies I enjoy are reading, exercising, playing video games, and I created and implemented the contact component for the project.
So basically, Indico is not just a technology company. It also does different stuff along with industrial advancements, industrial automations, technology, constellations, and venture capitalism.
For example, Lawn Starter, which is like Uber for your lawn, since you can schedule someone to cut your lawn and trim your hedges. And another example is Bloomrail, which provides a platform for people to start or run an e-commerce business.
So Skatison was the company that we partnered with to complete this project. Skatison is a nonprofit organization that establishes and creates skate parks in third world countries like Afghanistan, South Africa, and Cambodia. And we were really excited to partner with this client because they do real humanitarian work that actually makes the world a better place.
Our project for Skatison is to create a website for donors into our database. And like Ayende said, is to contribute to third world communities by funding a skate park and for the children's education.
So this is the login screen, and the code to the left shows us how to put the login onto the website. So that way you'll be able to click the username and the password, and it should be in there for you. If you don't, you'll probably have to create an account.
So on this screen on the right, you see the output of the left side's code, which shows the donors and how you can find them through the search categories and search their name, country, and city, and like put in different filters for them. On the left, you see that the code asks for something through if statements and produces them in the picture to the right. This is an example of one of the people accounts that we created to test, and as you can see on the left, the code is illustrating how to fetch from the last page to this page. This this page illustrates how to create an account, and on the left it shows the code for it by asking the name, phone, website, billing city, etc. And the right is all the places where you have to fill in the information for it to put the new account into the donor list on the last slide, the slide before the previous slide. This is an example of all the components that we use from Angular to put the project together, and use the TypeScript in the code, VS Code, and the HTML for the site, the Chrome web page, for all of them to go together using the logic from TypeScript and the design from HTML. The hardest topic for me was the TypeScript, learning a whole different language.
The hardest topic for me was also TypeScript because we had to learn a whole different language.
A concept I struggled with was when we were going over classes and how certain details only pertain to specific variables.
The hardest topics was nested classes because we had to make sure to put the right information in them.
The hardest topic for me was creating the files and make sure everything aligned perfectly.
The hardest topic for me was definitely the object-oriented programming and the constructors and understanding how they interacted with each other. So my future plans, as stated earlier, is computer science. So I plan on majoring in that, and this internship only strengthens my belief in its importance and what I want to do in the future, which anything having to do with computer science, whatever that track is.
This has impacted my future career because it inspired me to pursue a computer science career in a medical environment.
My future plan is computer science and to pursue it, and this internship really helped with that, exposing me to a new language.
My future plans is to get an IT degree. It's like help me see the importance of the actual like coding, what people don't see, and how like big technology is in the world today.
My future plan is to keep going on this path, and I really hope it works out because I think it's a good career path for me.
My future path was computer science, and at first I didn't know what I wanted to go in specifically. So now that I see software engineering, it's a strong possibility that I'll be going down this path.